Oh shit.
T-Mobile 5G home internet keeps getting better. Get our fast.
Terry just did that.
Oh, into the pole, into the pole.
О, смотри, что делает. Блин. Shit, bro. God damn.
911. You see there, let's see what happens as he pushes to the right.
Well, there we go.
There's the bumper.
Yep, they're getting them stopped. That was a SWAT vehicle.
But now Russ with a little piss inside of Jordan Pepper into Marco Verben.
The entire look.
Okay. I'm not fuck.
Oh my God!
Oh, fuck. That guy. It's in the past. All you need is something like this to ignite. It's this easy to go. Oh!
Oh my God.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh my God.
Just pull over, watch out.
Oh my fucking God.
Holy shit.
God, oh my God.
Reporting on that is not wrong. Oh my God. I decided to...
And it looked like
Oh my goodness, she's going to go head on into those vehicles. Oh my God. She decided to slam into them with...
As a sheriff, dude. Was it?
The video is lost.
Safe driving is a fundamental responsibility for every individual on the road. It is crucial to always operate your vehicle with caution and awareness. One should never drive at excessively high speeds, as it significantly reduces reaction time and increases the severity of accidents. When approaching a ramp, it is essential to navigate it carefully by adjusting your speed appropriately. Furthermore, overtaking another vehicle must be done with utmost precision. Always ensure you have a clear view of the road ahead. Use your indicators to signal your intention, and only overtake when it is completely safe to do so, maintaining a safe distance from the other vehicle at all times. Remember, disciplined and patient driving is key to ensuring your safety and the safety of others.
Wow.
Hobbs-coloured machine. Oh, huge off and over for the 82. This is the McCumbee Magnalia racing car.
Hi, I'm reporting a multi